Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn to Earn Minds. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI-generated videos using Canva's text-to-video feature called Magic Media. If you've ever wanted to turn your text into engaging visuals effortlessly, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Start by going to Canva and selecting the size you want. I select the size of the YouTube video. In the black bar, click on the Apps tab to find Magic Media. Search for Magic Media in the search bar. Select Magic Media from the menu. You will see two tabs, one for images and one for videos. From text to image, we already know. Take a look at it. A beautiful girl sitting in the park would make a good prompt. Now click on Generate Image. Until then, we'll have to wait. That's amazing. 4 images have been generated. As you can see, the result is impressive. By one, we check them all. There is no doubt that the result is clear and impressive. I would like to introduce a new option to you. This is a text-to-video conversion. You just need to describe the video in your prompt. You can then hit the Generate Video button and choose what you want to see in the video. Let's see how the magic works. Write a volcano with red lava and see what Canvas generates. I'm gonna generate it. We will have to wait a while. Wow, that's awesome. Now I write the prompt, a waterfall in the middle of Karachi City. Click on Generate again. That was a great job done by it. A field of flowers and butterflies is a good choice for the last prompt. Click on Generate again. Here is the final result. So nice. It has generated a wonderful video.
There you have it, a quick and easy guide to creating AI-generated videos with Canva's text-to-video feature. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments what other Canva features you'd like to explore. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.